Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Now let's start the grade 6th previous year question paper 2021 set AA, the third part of this video. Identify the null set from the following question. P. The element is X. X is an even prime number. So it will be your 2. X. X is the number of points of the intersection of two non-parallel lines. There will be 1 point. X such that X belongs to N, where N is the natural number and X is in between 1 and 2. So it means there cannot be any element, null set it is. X equal to X square 9, it means X is 3, so there will be 3. Okay, so which is the null set, void set? It is the option C. The 25th answer will be option C. Question number 25. Which one of the following number will replace the question mark? So what is the pattern here? So we can see 5 plus 3. 8. Square of 8 is 64. Okay. 6 plus 9. 15. Square of 15 is 225. 8 plus 2. 10. Square of 10 is 100. So 11 plus what square is equal to 324? It should be 18. है ना तो 11 plus 7 equal to 18 option B. The 26th answer will be option B. Question number 27. If Raman is the son of Kuldeep, Monica is the wife of Raman, and Priyanka is the daughter of Monica, then what is the relation of Priyanka with Kuldeep? So this is Kuldeep. Raman is the son of Kuldeep. This is Raman. मोनिका इज द वाइफ ऑफ रमन. ठीक है. एंड प्रियंका इज द डॉटर ऑफ मोनिका. प्रियंका इज द डॉटर ऑफ मोनिका. ठीक है. तो व्हाट रिलेशन ऑफ प्रियंका विद कुलदीप? तो ग्रैंड डॉटर. ऑप्शन डी. 27th आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. इफ G equal to 7, GO equal to 11, GOE equal to 9, then GOEM will be. तो G हो गया आपका 7, it means 7 by 1. GO, that is your 7 plus 15 upon 2, it is coming 11. ठीक है. And GOE, this is your 7 plus 15 plus 5 upon 3 equal to 9. So GOEM. This will be your 7 plus 15 plus 5 and M's value is 13. Ordinal number upon 4. So it should be your 40 by 4. This is equal to 10. It is in the option number B. The 28th answer is option B. Question number 29. How many triangles are there in this figure? So 1 triangle and 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4 triangle. ठीक है. So this is the 4 triangle and now this big one. 5 triangle, this big one, 6 triangle. There are 6 triangle. 29th answer will be option B. Question number. A rabbit facing the grapes. ठीक है. The mango. The rabbit facing the grapes. It means a rabbit is here. अभी rabbit यहाँ है. Now he has to face mango. अभी rabbit को guava पर आना है. Okay. So what? How it can come? So rabbit can come from this side. So it will be your 90 plus 35, 135 degree in clockwise. 135 degree clockwise, or it can be 90 plus 90, 180, and 225 degree anti-clockwise. Which option is given here? 225. ठीक है, option C. तो 30 answer will be option C. Question number 31. Which one of the following is correct for the statement given below? Statement 1. If A is the largest integer and B is the smallest integer between -10 and -3, both including, then B minus A is 5. So actually both the number is included. So we can just write small integer will be your -10 and largest integer will be your -3. And ठीक है, A is the largest integer. This is A, this is B. So B minus A equal to -10 minus -3. That is your -7. It is saying it should be 5. If LCM of two prime number is x and numbers x and y is 119, where x is greater than y, then the value of 2x minus 3y is 13. So LCM of x and y, this is two co-prime number. ठीक है, this 2 is the co-prime number. So x may be your 17 and y may be your 7, because 17 sevens are 119. So 2x मतलब 2 multiplied by 17 minus 3 multiplied by 7 will be equal to 13. Yes, it is correct. It means statement 2 is correct, statement 1 is false. It is in the option number B. So 31 answer is option B. Question number 32. Which one of the following is correct for the statement below? The sum of the first three common multiple of 3, 4 and 9 is this. The common multiple of 3, 4 and 9 will be 36. And first three common multiple 36. So first will be 36 and then 72 and then 108. When you add all of them, it will be 216. So statement 1 is true. The sum of all the factors of 36 other than 1 and 36 is 51. So factors of 36 other than 1 and 36 are 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 18. If you add all of them, you will get 54. It is not, it is 31. It means statement 2 is wrong. So option 32 answer will be option A. Question number 33. In this figure, 8 identical squares lie within rectangle ABCD. A semicircle with diameter AB has been drawn. If the area of the shaded portion is 980 centimeter, what will be the perimeter of the whole figure? ठीक है, shaded portions area is given. So how many circles are there? One, two, sorry. These are the identical squares. How many sides of the squares are used? Suppose A is the side of the small squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7A is the length of the rectangle AB, that is, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4A is the breadth of the rectangle, that is your AB. ठीक है, तो we can just write 7A multiply by 4A, area of the complete rectangle, minus the area of the identical squares. 8 identical squares are there. 8 multiplied by A square should be equal to 980. So it means 20A square equal to 980. So A square will be equal to 49. This implies A equal to 7. Okay? So length will be your 49 and breadth will be 7. 4s are 28. And what is the diameter of this AB? AB आप इसका diameter है, that will be also 28. So what is the length of this half circumference? So it will be arc AB will be your pi d upon 2. So it is your 22 by 7 multiplied by 28 upon 2. तो 7 4s are 28, 2 1s are 2 1s are, ठीक है, तो it is your 44. तो perimeter will be equal to 44 plus 49 plus 28 plus 49. This is equal to this is equal to 0, ठीक है, and it is 170, ठीक है. It is in the option number D. So 33rd answer will be option D. Question number 34. Income of Ramesh is 12,000 per month and that of Amit is 1,91,520 per annum. The monthly expenditure of each of them is X per month. If the ratio of their saving is 1:2, then find then what is their monthly expenditure. ठीक है, so we will calculate everything on the monthly basis. Ramesh monthly income is given 12,000 and Amit's monthly income will be your 191,520 upon 12. We will get 15,960 and X is their expenditure. So 12,000 minus X will be the saving upon 15,960 minus X. The ratio of the saving of this is 1:2. So this implies 24,000 minus 2x equal to 15,960 minus x. So this implies x equal to 24,000 minus 15,960. That is your 8040 rupees. So their expenditure is 8040. It is in the option number B. So 34th answer will be option B. Question number 35. The figure shows a park which has a rectangular playground with dimension 10:9. ठीक है? Okay, this is 10:9. What is the area of the park that is not occupied by the playground? So first we will find the area of the total figure. So total figure, if I draw a line from here and a line from here, तो देखो this area will be 23 multiplied by 8 and this area will be your 8 multiplied by, from here to here it will be again 23 only because 3 is removed and 3 is added here. So 23, this area, this part of the length will be your from here to here 12 and from here to here 8. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 4 multiplied by length will be 20. So it is R1. So R1 area will be 23 multiplied by 8, 184. R2 will be your 4 multiplied by 20, 80. And R3 will be your 8 multiplied by 23, 184. ठीक है, तो total area will be equal to 448 meter square and area of this playground area is equal to 10 multiplied by 9, that is your 90. So area of the not occupied by the playground, not occupied area will be your 448 minus 90. This is your 358 meter square. It is in the option number E. So 35th answer is option A. Okay. Now we have completed this worksheet completely. We have solved 3 previous year question paper and the complete comprehensive book in this playlist. So you can prepare your Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad with this playlist only and do share this playlist with your friends too. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.